We're going to show you today how to look at changing your website, especially we mentioned the blogs in the last video. So this one we're going to show you how to take those blog videos that we have and to add the blog site to your basic website because it doesn't come with that. Now you do have to have the blogs done, at least 2 to 3, like we showed you last video, before this will work. You have to have some blogs in there for it to pick it up, otherwise it doesn't work. So when you're in your Lofty, you're going to go to the top and go to website. And then once it loads up, you're going to open your website. And then at the top here and all the different options, you're going to click editor. And then after editor, top left, you're going to click block. And then you see all these different things you can change and add to your website. You're going to the bottom and you're looking for the one here that says blog. Now, as you can see, this agent, Eileen Belly here in Laredo, she already has the blogs done on hers. Let me get this pop-up out of the way. Since this is already done, you see where it says My Blogs. So again, you have to have blogs. Remember last time we went to blogs and we showed you how to write the blogs. This time we're showing you how to put this piece on your website so it shows up there. So once you go down on the left and find blog, you're going to click on it. And then these are the options you can have for your blog. I recommend to just find the one on the 3, very clean, very easy. And then all you have to do is click and you'll drag it over. And you can see it say drag block right here. And of course, this is already there, so I'm not going to add it twice. Now, if you have one in here and you don't like it, you can delete it or edit it to show a different wording in there, however you kind of want to do it. I recommend just keeping it simple, do the 3 and then put it in. And then you can see that these blogs are now here and they're loading up. And the way it looks like on your website, if you go back to overview and then click on your website to open it up. Now when I scroll down on my website, here are my blogs. And see right here, I can click right here on the one, the VA myth debunked, and then it opens up and there it is. And it has a couple different pictures. We added that one in there like we showed you last time, and then it talks about the VA loan using ChatGPT to write the blog for us. And there you go. Very simple. They only have 2 blogs for this agent. That's why it's only showing 2. So when they add another one for a third one, it'll now show 3 instead of just 2. It's that simple to get your website edited and to add that blog section to your website. Again, all you have to do is hit editor, go to block, the first spot here in the top left, go down to blog. Right here is the one you want, click and hold. But I got to stress, you have to have 2 to 3 blogs already written, already posted, not scheduled, but already posted for this to work. Good luck with your blogging, and watch the other video before. Make sure to like and subscribe.